Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use Google Sheets to wrap text properly. So this is really nice because Google has did a lot of homework on wrapping text, and they make it really easy to select items, so you can select multiple versions of wrapping text. So let me show you. Imagine here we have right now our long list. You can see here, let's do this. This is a new list of unique produce, right? So we created this list. However, this is far too long and we don't want to extend our list here or our column. So how can we work on this? Well, very simple. What we can do here is we go to Format, we select the cell, and then we go to Format, and then we select here Text Wrapping. Since we want to wrap the text, so you have multiple options. Number one is overflow. That's right now. So basically what it means is it will just continue over any other cell here until that cell becomes filled up with a value. So what we want to do here is Format, and we can select here wrap text. So once we wrap text, it will wrap the text, and you can see it will start to move the column or the cell in the right shape or size to make sure that the text is easy to read. So that's nice. Or what we can do as well is we can just select here in Format, and we have an option here just to clip away the text. So we just click on clip, and what happens then, it doesn't overflow. It is in here, it's still in here, it just hides the text accordingly. Of course, that's almost equal to if you have a value here that the overflow function will stop. However, if you can see here, this is because of the internet, no problem. However, if you click here on Format, then we can just select here back on wrap text. This is how you can control your text. So you can put it in the center, nice. This is really useful tool. So this is how you can wrap your text or you wrap your cell in Google Sheets.